Good morning, everybody, and we're another round of coffee and questions, and today's topic is we were looking at Vulcan supplies that are available at Harbor Freight, and are they good or are they bad? Well, most of the reviews, people are saying this is pretty good stuff. It's pretty good equipment, their welders are great, their gloves are great, they have fairly good quality MIG wire, and so their products seem to be getting a lot of popularity. So I'm going to change the slide, I'm going to show you a couple of things, and I'm going to give you a discount coupon that'll save you quite a bit of money. Give me just a sec, we'll get right after it. Okay, this is a clipping I took right off of the website. These are the products that are available, from the welders down to electrodes and including the gloves. I have a set of the gloves. They are good gloves, I mean, no doubt. Now, I don't have the Vulcan machine. I just read through all of the reviews, and on the forum, people are saying this is a fairly good welder for the price. Now, mine's a Miller-Matic 211, as you've noticed in previous videos, but these welders seem to work really good. They're probably worth looking at if you're wanting to spend, less than some of these top-end welders. So, depends on if you're the weekend warrior, if you're going to do a lot of production or serious welding, but they're good machines. I would encourage you to read the reviews. Let me throw up one other picture. Let me throw up one other picture of the MIG wire, and we will move on to the discount part of things. Okay, now here's a clip showing you, the price on the MIG wire. So everybody says this is fairly good MIG wire. And I said in one of my previous videos, not all MIG wire is made the same. So I only buy, really good MIG wire. What do I use? I use Lincoln. It's available usually out at, Home Depot, but I haven't tried this yet. I just read the reviews. I probably will try this on the next go around when I'm out at Harbor Freight and I'm running low on MIG wire, because a lot of people that do more welding than me say that this is good wire and it seems to be working well for them. So I would give it a try. You can also read the reviews. But to get to the point of this whole thing, in all of these welding supplies and stuff, you're always out there. They're always running their small discounts or whatever else. But I came across on the forum where somebody had posted an ad. I'm going to put that up real quick, and I would encourage you, if you're going out to buy anything like this, I would encourage you to use a discount coupon that I'm going to show you. Give me one sec. Okay, I don't want to blow this up any more than I have, but if I were you, go ahead and stop the video, take a photograph of the coupon. I'll remove my picture here in just a sec. Keep this with you on your phone. When you go out there, if you notice, there's no expiration date on this, and it's good for all of their products. Or at harborfreight.com, if you just want to ship, you can do that too. You can still get this 20% off. It's a good discount. Like I said, I think Harbor Freight's trying to, step up their game with some of these new products, Hercules, Vulcan, and these things that they're coming out with. And this seems to be a product that's getting, like I said, a lot of popularity, good reviews. Doesn't seem to be bad. If you want to try it, here's 20% off. There's no expiration date. It's a pretty good thing just to keep with you. Hang on. Let me take my picture off so you can photograph it. Okay, this was just meant to be your quick tip of the day on Vulcan products. If you're interested in this stuff, it'll save you some money. And I hope you folks have a great day. I hope you enjoy the video. I know it was fast. It wasn't a whole lot to it. You folks have a good day. Click subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.